Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing well and fantastic. And today's video is a little different because I couldn't upload my regular English videos, and I know many of you wait for my English videos and I really sorry for that. And weather is here has been very raining since morning, and it kept raining almost whole the day. And because of that there were power issues at my home, and my phone was not charged, so I couldn't record or edit my videos. And also I couldn't share my daily routine with you, so which made me feel a little disappointed. But you know what, sometimes life doesn't go according to our plans, and we make a schedule, we set goals, and then suddenly something unexpected happens. And earlier I used to feel that if I missed one day and everything was routine, but now I have learned something very important. And one missed day is not failure, and giving up is failure. And whether you are learning English, preparing for an exams, and building a business, creating content, or chasing any dreams, and there will always be obstacle. And sometimes days you will feel, and sometimes you will tired, and some days everything will go perfectly, but one other another day something will the way you expected. And the real difference between successful people and everyone else is not that successful people never face problem. The difference is that they don't stop because of those problems. And I'm also on the journey, and just like you, so I'm learning English every single day, and I'm trying to improve my communication skills, and I'm trying to become a better version of myself. And along with that, I have responsibility at my home and household works and many challenges that some things makes me it difficult to stay consistent. But every morning I remind myself why I started, and I started this journey because I have big dreams, and I want to speak English confidently, and I want to a good career, and I want to become financially independent. And most importantly, I want to improve to myself that if an ordinary person stay consistent, then extraordinary results are possible. So maybe many of you also going through a difficult phase right now, and maybe you are preparing for an exams but not getting good marks, and maybe you are trying to improve your English but feel like you are making the same mistakes every day. But maybe you are start something new, and people around you don't believe in you. And if that's you, then I want to tell you something from my heart. So please don't quit, and your progress is doesn't have to be fast, and it just has to be continuous. And even if you learn just one new words, and even if you for speak for only 5 minutes, and even if you read just one page of book, and you are still moving forward. And every small step matters. And remember one thing, no one become fluent in a overnight, but no one becomes successful in one day. Behind every success stories are hundreds of ordinary days, and when nobody watch. And let's promise yourself something today, and no matter how many problems you are facing and come into our life, and no matter how slow our progress is, and we will not stop, we will keep learning, and we will keep improving, or we will showing up, because our dreams are bigger than our excuses. And thank you so much for always supporting me and watching my videos, and and leaving kind comments and encouraging me. So every single like, comments and share gives me the motivation to continue this journey. And I am truly grateful to have such an amazing community. And tomorrow I will be back and in fresh English journey videos, and we will continue this journey together. And until then, take care of yourself, keep practicing, keep learning your English, and keep improving yourself. And remember one thing, your future is created by what you do consistently, not by what you do occasionally. So I will see you in the next videos. Then until then, practice every day and take care. Bye bye.